Hi, we are SIC from Poolsville High School in Poolsville, Maryland. I'm Sadhana Lola.
I'm Isaac Wang.
And I'm Christian Kim. For this year's SourceAmerica Design Challenge, we worked with Furnace Hills Coffee, a small coffee roasting company in Westminster, Maryland.
There, we worked with our SME, Erin Baldwin, and her father, Dave.
Welcome to Furnace Hills Coffee. I'm Dave Baldwin, and I'm the owner of Furnace Hills Coffee. And the reason why we started this company, this roasting company, was because our daughter, who has Down syndrome, needed a job. And so we consider her to be our chief coffee roaster. Our tagline is special coffee roasted by special people. So our mission is twofold. We want to roast the world's best coffee so that the drinker has a great experience. And we want to do that by employing people with developmental disabilities.
What do you do at Furnace Hills Coffee? What's your job?
I work in the bookstore. I put on the bag.
Erin's tasks include putting beans into the roasters, roasting them for different amounts of time, and storing them in bins. While she waits for the beans to roast, she likes to do word puzzles.
However, one of the biggest struggles she has is weighing beans.
She really hasn't weighed beans because she doesn't do it accurately enough. So that's the biggest thing.
While they brew some coffee in the shop, over 85% of products at Furnace Hills are 1-pound bags of various kinds of roasted coffee beans. Employees must weigh out the beans on a scale and pour them into paper bags.
Erin has Down syndrome, which inhibits her fine motor skills and can make it difficult for her to interpret numbers. This makes accurately weighing a pound of coffee challenging since it's hard for her to add and remove small amounts of beans or read the scale. When she is weighing orders, Dave has to help her by prompting her to add or remove beans. With his help, Erin can weigh out the beans in 2 to 5 minutes, not including the time it takes to pour the beans into a bag.
Since there are only 2 other busy employees at a time, help isn't always available. Working on her own, Erin often struggles for 7 to 8 minutes before giving up in frustration. To help Erin, we designed the Coffee Cube. The main goals of our device were to eliminate the need for Erin to manually adjust small amounts of beans or constantly read numbers off a scale, but we still wanted to give her the satisfaction of completing the task on her own.
We developed a cubic dispenser with slopes on the inside leading to a door. The dispenser would be placed on a scale connected to a small computer called a Raspberry Pi. The door will also open at the press of a button to empty out any excess beans. On average, the coffee cube was accurate to half an ounce or 3% error.
Once we had a working prototype, we brought it to Erin for her to try it. While Erin is adding beans, our program is checking for a constant weight above 1 pound, after which the door opens to allow beans to flow out of the container and directly into the bag. Once 1 pound has been emptied, the door closes and Erin folds and seals the bag. After showing it to her for the first time, we modified the ramp so she could easily place a bag under it and painted it red, her favorite color.
After using the Coffee Cube 3 times, Erin was able to use the device on her own without instruction from anyone. She quickly picked up on how much she had to add and how to position the bag underneath the ramp. Using the Coffee Cube, Erin was able to fill the bag in 30 to 45 seconds without any help, a huge improvement from when she couldn't complete the task on her own. This is also an 87% increase in efficiency, or almost 10 times faster compared to when she had another employee to assist her, which took 5 minutes.
With this, boom, 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 it'll pick up it'll increase our productivity by, I don't know by how much, but it's going to be a lot. You know, you guys have solved a huge issue for her when it's time for her to do the bagging.
What do you think of the device?
I think it's fantastic, and you know, as I've said, I would like to have a couple of these so we can send it to our affiliates, because they have roasteries or coffee shops where they're working with people who have developmental disabilities, and this would be a fantastic thing for them.
This technology can be used to assist anyone who struggles with motor control or reading numbers, and to weigh other substances such as beans or grains.
Can you say, is this easy to do or hard to do?
No, it's easy, yes.
So do you like it when it's easy? Okay. Did it take you a long time?
Yeah. No.